Guys, I welcome you to this other section, another video. And Taura about my declarations, analytical programming, shandisa, and really what's what in terms of kuchipa code panapa. The last time I explained the header and I explained the main function, which is the doma code yako. And but there are other things like my operators are my parentheses are my two mark less than sign, two mark greater than sign. What do they mean? See out, anoitwa. That's what I'm gonna try and explain today. Okay, so let's start with what's what chip and chip. So the first one is you can see out. It says see out. See out in my double parenthesis. My I do my parenthesis the is my choose my less than sign is and it is a uh, see out chance to output something on the screen and it kubudisa something pa screen kuti pese pachaona pa code yauchaonewo yakanyorwa see out something something yacho ichi ndo chichaburiswa pa screen ichi chiri pamberi pechi pema less than sign edaya so sezvamuri kuona panapa see out wedu zvakanyorwa apa izvi ndo zvabuda apa ndo zvinoreva see out. And also these parentheses anoshandiswa futi anongoshandiswa only paunenge uda output something whether pa screen whether mufile or something. We'll see mamwe programs ari kumberi as we go on. So that's the use of see out. And remember, don't mix up see out my parentheses again now see in as see out my less than. Now see in to input a value from the keyboard or from a file or from another program. And it well create my program my programs are a bit complicated. The one are simple you understand you can take my input you got data, you can either take it from your keyboard, you can either take it from a file, or you can either take it from another program kuti uishandise program yako. And it is so see in it my double parentheses akatarisana zvinongoreva kuti isa something whether from file from what one iwe ndonongo uchidependa kuti uda kuchiisa papi handiti chaunenge wazoisa ichocho obva uzochidisplay out na see out pawhat pascreen handiti. Then tina endlin end l anoshandiswa kucloser code. So pese panapa like for example apa see out and l this just basically means close the code iri panapa. End line no zvatinora l underline so end line so end this line of code unokwanisa kusiya hako pasina pakadai also. I can remove this and do this then ndikarana code yangu it will still work, but as you can see zvinenge zvakabatana apa but ndikauya ndikati end line wangu uyo anga ari pa then ndoti run. You see pane space zvinoreva kuti ndabvisa ndaenderline iyi inobva yaedera space between return 0 uyu because return 0 ndiari kureturna zviri pazasi zvese izvi handiti. Okay, so inobva yaisa space ipapo. Then we go to the next one, then return of course ndio sezvatamboona apa it means give us an answer at the end. Kana ukaisa return iwewe answer yako ukaisa return kudai so une int inokupa error. Oh, okay, that's new. In fact, I know it's per error built-in run. So it's okay because I'm not sure why it's not per error, but it's okay. Something new which I didn't know. I only thought we go shut up my void functions. No functions are not my void functions. I will explain them later. Okay. So with this, then now we go to my declarations. What we call declaration is like, for example, zvakaiteka panapa kuti int main. Iwe kana uchida kuuya uchida kunyora data type yako uchida kunyora kuti okay ndoda kushandisa maintegers paprogram yangu ino, what do? You have to declare them and so every time you tine matypes of madeclarations akasiyana siyana tine 3 types. Tine declaration yekuti unonyora data type nevariable like for example int word and pakanzi word up you can change and put anything int mom int dead. It's all up to you kuti unoisa zvaunongoda kuisa now chero zvaunoda kuisa zvinenge zviri kwauri handiti. Then double name you can put anything, variable is just any name yauda kungonyora kuti ishandiswe handiti. Left hand side kunenge kune data type, right hand side kunenge kune data type yako sorry kune variable yako. And remember unofanira kuisa masemicolons anenge achiratidza kuti ndapedza kunyora code yangu and compiler painoona masemicolons aya inobva yaziva kuti oh okay code yapedza kunyora. So int num kudeclare maintegers kuti chinhu chinonzi num ichi computer pauchaona something chakanzi num ziva kuti iinteger right. So ukauya kuno ukanyora kuti oh ukauya apa ukati int num like this, computer yako yakuziva kuti oh okay, saka pese pandichaona chinhu chinonzi num integer, handiti ukauya ukanyora kuti string mum, computer yako ichaziva kuti pese pakanyorwa kunzi mum iinteger, sorry istring. Ndikauya ikanyora kuti double se, ichaona pese pakanzi se idouble, handiti. So computer yako inenge ichiziva kuti okay, pese chakanyorwa kunzi se idata type inonzi double. You cannot write something like double is equal to, let's say, h. Why? Because h is not a number. Because remember I told you that my doubles, my rational and my irrational numbers are, and it my decimals. So h I see decimal, but you can put something like this. Yeah, this one will be a good data type, and it a declaration. Okay, so this is the first type you can go declare data type yako in a variable, and it. So compiler assume that variable yako inenge ine value, because variable yako inondosova computer, and it. So computer will assume that oh, you declared something chinonzi integer, chinonzi num, chiri data type what integer, and it. So create a memory space memory mayo RAM or wherever you create a memory you create a space create ichabva yanosvika 0, because compiler automatically assign 0, inongopa 0 kana usina kudeclare, usina kuipa anything. So apo kana kuti int num inogonosvika ikapa num anogonosvika obvapo achi value of 0 necompiler, right? Okay, then we go, it's the same thing nemadouble nemastring character. These are just namings, you can change them wesa zvaunongochida. Manga uri mazita unokwanisa zita rako, and it like Mary, int Mary, int John, you can do anything which you want, but my declaration, declaration my whole numbers, declaration my decimals, declaration my strings, and it my strings my words, then declaration my characters. And remember also the other thing Judge explain as we go on later. Okay, let's go to the next part. We have data types variables, and it the operator name a variable. What do we mean by that? Remember we said int word is equal to 3. Data type, variable, operator, and then variable again. It's not operator when I equal to, when I greater than, when I plus, indeed. But usually we just use equals to kind of declare panapa. You never see pana plus. It will be wrong coding. Okay, so what we say is int. Remember, as I explained, which word you can change. You say anything like person, right? You can put anything which you want. Int person is equals to 3. Zvinongoreva kuti computer isusu pekutanga panapa yatikati int John, and it computer inoassigna pakanzi John, inenge yakuziva kuti pese painoona pakanzi John, John here anomirira data type yewhat integers, whole number John here. But manje kana tisati taiassigna hatina kuipa whole number yacho, inongoisa 0 kuti John ndi 0 mucompiler. But panapa tikachiti int person is equal to 3, and it kana kuti int John is equal to 3. Inobva yaziva kuti oh okay, saka pakanzi John paipai mucompiler pedu, because isusu kana tichinyora code dzevanhu we can't write it in, as you know kuti inenge computer inonyora with zeros and ones, and we can't write in zeros and ones. We have to write in a language yatinonzwisisawo, like for example which is readable, and it one. So isusu computer yedu inoziva kuti okay, pane chinonzi John chakadeclare what type integer, chiri kunzi chiri equal to 3, saka mucomputer makanyorwa pakanzi John pakanyorwa kunzi 3. So pese paunongonyora kuti John inenge ichiziva kuti John anomirira what 3, and it's same thing implies kunoku tine data type inonzi double. You can put anything, remember variable, this is just a variable. So double name is equals to 11.4. Remember double my decimals, my rational number. You can even put 3 or 5 over 7 like this. It's perfectly correct to write it like this, your code, and it. So double name is equals to 5 over 7. It's perfectly fine. Then string num, string anything, big or bg or anything which you want. You can string bg is equals to chinofana mawira. Remember my strings pane ma columns, indeed anongo wakaisa apa ma double columns represent string. So apa data type yedu, this is a variable, this is an operator, and this is how you declare a string. So computer yako izoti okay pese pachaura pakanzi bg handiti zvinomirira kuti tinofara mauya handiti. So instead yekuti iwe unyore mawords ako aya kuti chakati chino nechino iwe unongo uchingoshandisa vana bg but computer inoziva kuti zvinoreva kuti tinofara mauya handiti. And paunenge uchideclare a string unoisa madouble quotes aya, these quotes, quotation marks, yes, you put double quotation marks. Then character remember yakasiyana nestring handiti. Character unoisa single quotes yakasiyana nestring because iyi inongomirira one character. Character yacho yatinenge ichimirira a b c 1 2 anything handiti, but inomira chimwe masentences mawords mastrings. Then the third data type yedu yatoda kushanda naso is data type inenge ine variable operator nenumber. So we can have int word handiti, int word is equals to 3, or we can have double name is equals to 11.4. Data type variable operator, then number here, then of course semicolons kuvhara kuti ndapedza kudeclare code rangu. Zvinongoreva kuti pakanyawanzi word mucomputer panomirira 3 handiti. So pese pauchiona panzi word pakumirira 3 ndozvainondosevha mucomputer izvo. Double name panzi name pese pakurava 11.4 handiti. You can always change this part. You can say en my, I don't know, chero zvaungoda kunyorewo zvinenge zvichingokuitira handiti. Okay, so then we go to the next one, string num is equal to. Now this is the part yandaida kuexplaina. Pari kunzi string idata type yatinoziva kuti ndiyo inomirira mawords handiti. String num is just a variable operator equal to. But now onai mukati makanyorwa kunzi 8. Is it wrong? No, it's correct. Why is it correct? Because string, you can put anything inside here and because the thing is kana waisa zvinhu zvacho mukati memacolons aya anongowana apa zvinoreva kuti chinhu chese chiri mukati umu chichatorwa sestring, whether waisa 7 ukaisa nyangwe nhamba yakawanda kudai so zvinongoreva kuti this is a string handiti. So you can put string inokwanisa kurepresenta manumbers, maletters, mawords handiti, like nyangwe ukaisa a kudai so inenge iri string sezvatamboona paya paya, but achitaura about what data types. Then character, you can also do the same, character 2 or character a or character b handiti. So inenge ichiziva kuti pakanzi var and remember, but now isusu before I go, isusu pakanzi string ndikati string num is equals to 8 like this. You cannot add num plus num or expect a 16 because it's string. So it will not give you a 16 if you try and add the num plus num. It will give you 8 8 but 8 8 here has to 8 8 because apa ringonosvika ichisevha onzi 8 inoreva kuti pakanzi num apa mucomputer vari kumirira 8 but 8 westring ne8 weinteger akasiyana. Uyu weinteger uyu anoreva kuti you can add them whole number inenge ichireva sort of like word 8 yeword but inokwanisa kurepresenta yakadai so ichanosvika vakati 8 num 8 plus 8 inongokupa 8 8 and of which 8 plus 8 haisi 8 8 and it doesn't necessarily mean I add, inenge isinga add, inenge ichingobatanidza handiti, kubatanidza like for example zvatamboona paya patati tinofara mauya in that other video lecture ndo zvimwe chete zvatiri kuona pana kuti inenge ichiita handiti. And variable char vec is equals to a, right? It's the same thing which you've been explaining. Pakanzi vec apa mucomputer inonzi okay idata type vec ari kumirira data type inonzi character. Pane value here yachaassigna, yes, value inonzi a handiti. Iyi inenge ichinzi assignment, declaration wobva waassigna number wobva waassigna, usually this one is for numbers. Then iyi declaration wobva waassigna data type whatever chaunoda kuassigna kwati kuti kuassigna kuipa something handiti. Then kunoko declaration usina kuassigna anything computer inongoisa 0 handiti. So chatiri kuti declaration apa like unova wakambotamba macards handiti, kune card riya rinonzi 8. So ukakanda card riya rinonzi 8 wobva wati I declare handiti maleaves, maheart or madiamonds. Chauri kudeclare chacho until let's say game inenge ichifamba iri flow nemaleaves handiti, ukakanda 8 wobva wati I declare madiamonds inobva yachinja yafamba chakare. Ndo zvimwe chete zvatiri kutaura pana kuti I declare kuti pakanzi John apa mucomputer ngapa yoremirire what integer. Declare kuti what ngatichinje from maleaves to mahal, so vanoambota mumakani. Okay, so today tataura about see out, see in, end in, return, declarations. And then next video we'll talk about my operations, my operators, right? Operators eda tichange tichishandisa vanana plus minus what tichange tichishandisa. Okay, so thank you guys for coming kuti muone video iyi. I hope you bring your friends next time or you share these videos. I'm also welcome to you or if you want my help with your projects or anything, I'm also welcome. You can put any questions and comments in the section below. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.